Hey y'all, how you doing? I hope all is well in your world. It has done nothing but rain on us for the last
3 days.
We are in Brevard, North Carolina, camped at Davidson River Campground. It's a fabulous campground, and I'm hoping I'll be able to do a review of that campground. However, it looks like this every day. Okay, Mr. Childers, you're on.
Are we live?
We live.
Oh man, I'm going through the sales paper here. They got a little store here called Buy Low. It's right beside the Walmart store, about 3 miles from the campground. Once you go about, I'll show you on the video, about a mile in, there ain't nothing. I mean, you hit wilderness. So it's what's great
forest.
about
National Forest.
It's National Forest. I mean, you're just right at the back door of it here. And it's kind of neat because the little town is right here. Well, Brevard itself is kind of southeast here, I think. But we're right here at the foot of Mount Pisgah off of Highway 276. For any of you interested, you can pull it up on your map. And this is Transylvania County in Brevard, North Carolina. And it's known for the waterfalls here. And we hope when the weather breaks, if you stick with us, we'll be showing you a bunch of waterfalls. And some of the waterfalls they used here were in certain movies. Can't remember all the movies, but I do remember one movie is The Last of the Mohicans, if any of you remember that. And I think that was filmed over in DuPont State Park. And we'll take you over there and show you those waterfalls. But there's some neat waterfalls all around here. Off of Highway 64, there's a couple. We'll try to show you those. But the rain's kind of holding us up, so we had to come into town and check our mail and stuff and
do laundry.
Yeah, we had a bunch of laundry to do. And
reply to all of the YouTube comments.
Yeah, we had to do that too. Everybody's wanting to know.
And we have to come into town to upload videos also.
Right. Yeah, because you don't get no signal once you're going past 2 mile mark there. It's pretty much over.
You leave the Pizza Hut and that's it.
We ate today at Bojangles. Actually, it was pretty good.
It wasn't even too hot for me. It was good.
Yeah. I like to eat at Bojangles more often, but you know, they might not have these where y'all are at, but it wasn't too bad. You know, for 2 people, $9 a piece, not too bad. So, yeah, they got steak here. We ought to get some steaks when the sun comes out and grill out. For $4.99 a pound for a T-bone.
All right.
So that's what we might be doing later on when the sun breaks.
Yeah.
We don't know yet. In Hendersonville, North Carolina, they're having a big apple festival there, and evidently it's a pretty big deal. They have a lot of festivals and stuff up here in the mountains. That's why I love it so much. It's pretty cool. But
he loves everywhere we go, y'all.
I just love it.
He just loves to travel and ramble around.
Ramble around. That's what we do. We just ramble around. Oh, stop raining.
No, it did not stop raining. Oh, look. It is still raining.
Can't even see the mountains if you look out there. You can kind of see them back over that way. We're right here at the foot. Our elevation here is 2,550 feet, I think is what I read last night. Yeah. We're at 2,500 feet above sea level here, but we're just really at the bottom in the foothills of the mountain here. Because once you hit over here, that's about a, I don't know if it's a full 6th grade, maybe 10% grade going up the side of the mountain there for about 20 miles. You go back in there. In some places it gets pretty steep. It's not designated for semi-trucks. They have to go around another way. But it's not designated for that. But small trucks.
If you live on the other side of the mountain and you come to Brevard,
well,
you have to go 276.
Well, you can take 276 now. It takes you all the way to Maggie Valley.
Right.
Then you can get up in there. Then you can go to the Blue Ridge Parkway up here. You can go top of this mountain, Mount Pisgah. You go to the Parkway runs through here. And you also can go up there to... you can take the Parkway, which goes all the way down to Cherokee, North Carolina, into the Smoky Mountains, where it ends down there. So, but anyway, yeah. There's
some nice campgrounds along the Parkway too.
Oh yeah, we'll show you more of our campsite where we're at over there. But it's just been raining constantly, so it's kind of hard to do stuff. A lot of tenters where we're at are packed up and left. I mean, you gotta be a tough tenter to do this kind of weather, because man, it's been a gully washer. In fact, the river's come up. We're camped beside a river over there, Davidson River. And it's come up some. It's come up about a foot.
About 8 years ago, we were camping here, and the river came up so high they evacuated the campground.
Oh, yeah. They evacuated us. We came to the Holiday Inn and spent like 4 days.
Yeah.
But, we'll try to video some of this for you. We're familiar with this area, so we know where a lot of good places are at. There's over 200 waterfalls here, just in this county. It's got a ton of them. And
some of them you have to hike back into.
Yeah, and they're big. A lot of them are big water. These aren't little waterfalls.
Right.
They're all big waterfalls. But yeah, we'll take you around and show you. Just see the weather breaks a little bit.
This is what Davidson River is famous for. Tubing.